ano siya, isang buong skill set siya. So anong success indicator na meron ka nitong strategic thinking skill na to? You're able to create plans that are aligned with business priorities. Oh. So it's not a strength, but it is something that you need to learn. Okay? Next is people leadership and team development. Bakit importante ito? What does it cover? Coaching, performance management, motivation, conflict resolution, psychological safety. Some of this we already covered in our previous programs. No? What it does is it improves engagement, retention, and productivity. So anong success indicator na meron ka nitong skill na to? It gives clear expectations and regular feedback. So, Emmy, we moved from this before the break, and now we're talking about ano nga ba talaga marketable skills? Generic marketable skills. Ito yon. Pangatlo, communication and stakeholder management. Actually, pag may skill ka nito, this particular skill, you'll be a very valuable member of the group kahit weakness mo pa yung iba. Okay?